Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most fascinating and luxurious aspects of the world we live in. Today, we're diving into the extravagant world of London's real estate, showcasing the top 10 most expensive properties in this iconic city. From palatial mansions to stunning penthouses, prepare to be amazed by the sheer opulence that money can buy. Let's begin our countdown. At number 10, we have the Heron Tower Penthouse, located in the heart of the financial district. This penthouse offers breathtaking views of London's skyline. With its luxurious amenities and a price tag of £30 million, it truly represents the epitome of high-end living. Moving on to number 9, we have One Hyde Park. Situated in the prestigious Knightsbridge neighborhood, this residential complex boasts top-notch security and privacy. With its stunning architecture and lavish interiors, it's no wonder that it's priced at a staggering £35 million. Coming in at number 8, we have the mansion at Bishop's Avenue, known as Billionaire's Row. This exclusive street houses some of the most expensive properties in London. The mansion at Bishop's Avenue is a grand estate with an astonishing price of £40 million, making it a symbol of unparalleled luxury. Now, let's move on to number 7 on our list. Louvre Grand Penthouse. Located in the fashionable neighborhood of Mayfair, this penthouse offers expansive living spaces and exquisite interior design. With a price tag of £45 million, it provides its residents with the utmost sophistication and elegance. Climbing up our list, we reach number 6, Kensington Palace Gardens. This exclusive street is home to some of the world's wealthiest individuals. The properties on Kensington Palace Gardens, also known as Billionaires Boulevard, fetch eye-watering prices. With an average cost of £50 million, it's no wonder it attracts the elite. Now, let's delve into the top 5. At number 5, we have the St. John's Wood Villa. This elegant mansion offers a harmonious blend of classic and contemporary design. With its own private garden and state-of-the-art amenities, this property carries a price tag of £55 million, ensuring a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury. Moving on to number 4, we have the Eaton Square Residence. Situated in the prestigious Belgravia neighborhood, this opulent townhouse is renowned for its exquisite Georgian architecture and timeless elegance. With a price tag of £60 million, it's a symbol of refined living in the heart of London. Now, let's unveil our top 3. At number 3, we have the Hampstead Heath Mansion. Located in the leafy suburb of Hampstead, this mansion offers breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. With its luxurious amenities, sprawling gardens, and a price of £65 million, it truly represents a haven of tranquility in this bustling city. Coming in at number 2 is the Kensington Palace Apartment. Situated within the historic Kensington Palace, this exclusive apartment holds immense historical significance. With its regal charm and impeccable design, it offers a glimpse into the royal lifestyle. Priced at a remarkable £70 million, it attracts discerning buyers who appreciate the allure of living in a property fit for royalty. Finally, we've arrived at the most expensive property in London, our number 1 pick. Drumroll please! It's none other than the Buckingham Palace residence. This iconic landmark needs no introduction, as it serves as the official residence of the British monarchy. While it may not be available on the market, experts estimate its value to be a staggering £2.2 billion. With its rich history, majestic architecture, and sprawling grounds, it truly stands as the epitome of grandeur. So there you have it, the 10 most expensive properties in London. From penthouses to palaces, these properties showcase the incredible wealth and luxury that can be found in this vibrant city. Whether it's the stunning views, impeccable design, or exclusive neighborhoods, each of these properties represents a unique slice of the extravagant real estate market. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of London's most opulent properties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content like this. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and comments down below. Until next time, stay tuned for more awe-inspiring journeys into the lap of luxury. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you soon on our next exciting adventure.